Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube video channel. So today I'm going to explain red blood cell very simple way. Human red blood cells or erythrocytes are small in size. The average diameter is 7 to 8 micrometers and about 2.2 micrometers thick. Because of this smaller size, RBC can travel through smaller vessels such as capillaries. So this helps to supply oxygen for all tissues to maintain their metabolic activities properly. Okay, then let's see what is significant of the shape of the red blood cell. They appear as circular biconcave discs. This shape helps to increase the surface area of the red blood cell. So, biconcave shape results in a larger surface area to volume ratio. As a result, it increases the amount of gaseous exchange. Also, oxygen can diffuse quickly in and out from the red blood cell. This feature is very helpful when it comes to a high oxygen demand tissue. Mature red blood cell, lack of nuclei, mitochondria, and endoplasmic reticulum. Therefore, red blood cell has more inner space when compared to the other cells. This benefits for carrying more hemoglobin inside it. Because of increased hemoglobin molecules, red blood cell has the ability to transport a high amount of oxygen into the tissues. Then let's discuss red blood cell production. The process of red blood cells production called erythropoiesis. During normal childhood and adult life, red blood cell production is done by the bone marrow. But it slightly differs in the fetus inside the uterus. In the fetus, red blood cells produced in the liver and spleen. In infancy, bone marrow in all bones have the capability to produce red blood cell. But in adults, it's limited to the central skeleton and proximal end of the femur and humerus. Another important point of erythropoiesis is feedback control. It is done by a hormone which is known as erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is produced mainly by the kidneys. The average normal red blood cell count is 4.8 million per microliter in women and 5.4 million per microliter in men. So, red blood cell count varies with the gender. Also, it can be varied according to age and health status of the person. How the red blood cells get its color. Red blood cell gets that color from the pigment hemoglobin. It combines reversibly with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin in areas of high oxygen concentration and release oxygen in the region of low oxygen concentration. Also, red blood cell contributes to transport carbon dioxide towards the lung. Red blood cell contain carbonic anhydrase enzyme which catalyzes the production of carbonic acid. Then it breaks down to hydrogen carbonate and hydrogen ion. The hydrogen carbonate diffuses out of red blood cells into the plasma. About 85% of the carbon dioxide carries via this way. What do you know about the red blood cell lifespan? Red blood cell has a relatively long lifespan compared to white blood cell. It's about 3 months, which means 120 days. Red blood cell is destroyed in the spleen. Spleen find aged or abnormal red blood cells. Abnormal red blood cells are not as flexible as normal red blood cells. So, it removes aged or abnormal red blood cells from the circulation. I briefly discussed the red blood cells structure and functions, red blood cell production, gas exchange, and lifespan. If you missed something, please watch again the video. Please share and like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Thank you for watching our videos.